Hi Albert, thank you very much for your submission. I hope you enjoyed the writing mission for Island 1. On this island you learned quite a few things. You learned about word order of questions, WH question words. You learned about ice hockey. I hope you enjoyed ice hockey. The present simple tense and frequency adverbs and frequency phrases. So you can see you learned quite a lot on Island 1. Now the writing task asked you to be a journalist, and we asked you to interview someone, like a friend or a member of your family, and we asked you to write down 5 questions. So let's take a look at what your work is like. Okay, first, I can see you interviewed your friend Nate the Great. What a fantastic name. Now, your first question is very good. Your first question, you asked, why do you want to be detective? You have included question word, you have included auxiliary verb, subject, main verb, and an object. Well done, excellent. I'm not quite sure what you mean by the word detective, so maybe you need to check your dictionary to see if that's correct. Now, question number 2 is excellent. In question number 2, you said, why do you write note for your mother? Fantastic question. You have included all the elements of the question word order we studied. One thing, be very careful when you say, why do you write notes for your mother? Because I'm sure you mean he writes many notes. Now, question 3. Question 3. Be very careful when you are dealing with the past tense in questions. You wrote, why do you picked the dog? I'm sure you meant to say, why did you pick? Okay, be very careful when you're using the past simple. Now, in question number 4, you wrote 2 questions actually. You wrote, who is strange and who is pest? Now I think you meant who is a pest, because pest is a countable noun. And it looks like Nate the Great's friend or sister, Rosamond, is strange, and Oliver is a pest. That's interesting, isn't it? Now, in question number 5, you wrote, why do you like Fang? Now, why do you don't like Fang? You have to be very careful when you make the negative. Your question should be, why don't you like Fang? Now, I think your work is excellent. Thank you very much. I enjoyed looking at your questions. I think you've done a very good job, and I think you deserve applause. Well done, Albert. Please go to island number 2, and I'll speak to you again another time. Bye.